morning, Michael.
Hi.
How are you?
We've recently moved into a new facility here at Woodbury Dental Arts, and when you arrive and join us here, you'll be greeted by our patient coordinators. In our reception area, you'll see a very light blue calming atmosphere. This is purposely created to create tranquility and relax our patients when they arrive. Once you're checked in and you're ready to be seen, we do bring you back, and we have a tour through the office, which you would see on the left. We have 2 dedicated suites for our patient coordinators. And then over to the left, we have actually 3 orthodontic suites. They're very colorful, and any young adults totally enjoy coming in and hanging out with us in our orthodontic suites. We have also 3 hygienists that work full-time, so there's 3 hygiene suites. We then move around the office, and we have 3 dedicated treatment areas. Dr. Jackson and Dr. Kamel both work out of those 3 operatories. We also have 2 surgical suites. We see a lot of large cases here with all-on-4 implants, full mouth reconstructive cases, and we have very nice suites for our patients for that purpose. In our surgical suites, we have adopted some of the latest and greatest technology. We've recently purchased an XNav operational guided system that assists Dr. Kamel in placing implants into the best location within the patient's mouth to assure long-term success with his procedures. Additionally, we have a dedicated radiograph area that houses our CareStream 3D radiograph machine. With this machine, we can get great 3D photographs that shows bone levels, everything Dr. Kamel needs to see in order to make sure that the implants are placed properly. We've done everything that we can to assure that your visit here is pleasurable and relaxing. So please come in and see us, and we can help you move forward with your new smile.